In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Google Cloud Platform. First of all, what is it? It is a platform that has a suite of different types of products and services. This allows you to build apps faster, make smarter business decisions, and connect with people everywhere. There's a lot going on with this platform. If you look at the products, there are more than 20 different ones, and it's really easy to feel overwhelmed and where to start. So let's start at the cloud solutions, and this allows you to understand at an overview of how could you use this for your product or service or your brand. If you're looking for a basic app and it is for internal uses, you're cataloging things, you're looking to add camera functionality, signatures, all of those different things, it would be a good idea to start with something called AppSheet. This is for complete beginners. Ones from all different types of departments in your company can use this, and it's completely no code. Past that, you can use a lot of the different things found in the Google Cloud Platform that is essentially no code. You don't have to add a lot of lines of code, go into the terminal, all of those things. You can do that very easily. And with this tab, you can get a preview of what it looks like once you open your account. Keep in mind though, when you're first getting started, because there are so many different places you can go, the marketplace, the services, it's a lot to handle. So what I would suggest is go to cloud.google.com/solutions, and this allows you to first look at what solution is great for your business or company. From there, it allows you to see what do we need? AI, artificial intelligence? Do we need to focus on database? All of those things. And then to the right-hand side, it will show for products and services. If you click that tab, it allows you to have all of the products and services that go more in depth. The featured projects are here, and then you can see a one-liner, one sentence that summarizes what that main function or that product does. For example, we look at Cloud Run, fully managed environment for running containerized apps. Okay, I'm going to click on it. It takes me to the Cloud Run page, but what I really like is the overview video that is less than 2 minutes. That allows me to really understand why would I use it in my business and all of those things. Then we also have use cases on the left-hand side. It allows me to see all features and pricing. Once I decide on the product and service that's right for me, then I can sign in or sign up for a Google Cloud Platform account, and I now see all the products and services on the left-hand side. What I like about this suite is I can click the little pin button, and then the ones that I'm using a lot, I can already have in my section. For example, I use Cloud Vision, Cloud Storage, Workflows. I have that up here instead of me searching all the time on the left-hand side and getting confused. Examples how you can use Google Cloud Platform, it really is up to you. If you feel overwhelmed, I would say look for specific case studies why you would need to use this. For example, we have a video about how you can create a 24/7 radio station on YouTube. If you've ever seen any lo-fi or any kind of YouTube channels where they're constantly playing music, how do they do that? You can do that with Google Cloud Platform. Perhaps I'm looking to create a very specific type of website and I need to house it. I can do that with Google Cloud Platform. Workflows, maybe I don't want to use Zapier or Integromat, Pipedream. I can do that with Google Cloud Platform, and I can use that with Workflows. The list goes on. And if you, the audience, wants to hear more what you can do with Google Cloud Platform, we're going to be doing new videos in the future. But what I want to do in this video was just an overview for you to understand there are so many things you can be utilizing this for your business for a fraction of the price. And when you get started with Google Cloud Platform, you get a credit of $300 to get started to see what works best for you. In the section down below, let me know what you're working on. What are you trying to accomplish for your brand, for your business, and all of those things? And I will see you in the next video.